Do you remember that holiday years ago when your first forever memories were made? The holiday where you spent hours splashing by the pool and soaking up the sweet sunlight. Do you remember the time when you went camping beneath the tall trees and the starlit sky? You didn't have much, but you had each other. Can you recollect the family vacation where your most precious memories with your parents were made? Ones that you hold dear and still keep close to your heart. Can you recall the joy experienced when you spent time with your loved ones after a long time apart? Where you realize that home is where your loved ones are. Whilst reminiscing about all of your most loved memories, know that your memories are forever, and your new forever memories are waiting to be made.